Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken Fiat 500 door handle. This is a common issue, but easily repairable with the right approach. First, gather your tools. You will need plastic trim removal tools, a 5mm Allen key, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. A small knife might also be helpful for accessing certain areas. We will focus on the exterior handle, as its hinge frequently snaps. To begin, you must remove the interior door panel. Start by carefully prying off the small covers located near the door pull handle and the inner door opening handle. Underneath these, you will find 3 Allen key bolts that need to be removed. Next, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the bottom of the door panel away from the door, releasing the clips. Once the clips are free, slide the entire panel upwards to detach it from the window seal, then disconnect any electrical cables. Now let's replace the handle itself. Pull the exterior handle outwards as if you are opening the door to gain better access. Locate and remove the 10mm nut that secures the handle hinge to the door skin. Next, you will need to unscrew the Phillips head screw that attaches the hinge to the handle assembly. Carefully detach any metal rods connected to the handle, noting their positions. With these removed, you can now install your new replacement handle or hinge piece. With the new handle in place, it is time for reassembly. First, carefully reattach all the metal rods and any electrical cables to the handle and door. Next, align the top edge of the door panel with the window seal and slide it downwards, ensuring it seats correctly. Then, firmly push the door panel around its edges to re-engage all the internal clips. Finally, reinstall the 3 Allen key screws and snap the decorative covers back into their original positions. Test the handle's function to ensure a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.